Подожди, я хочу научиться. Yes, tell me. Show Michael. Heartbreak Kid. HP Kid.
Okay, everyone, a quick look at this model. So I really looking at is a beautiful model of the fortress. This is not the city, this is just the Hospitaller fortress, the headquarters of the military order of the Hospitallers. It's quite amazing. By the way, this order is also known under the name, under the title of? St. John? St. John. Okay, St. John's order. We're standing right here. We're here. Tower to the left, tower to the right. And then you can see this arched passageway. This is the arched passageway. Okay, we're going to go in, explore a little bit this building, walk around, and enter the main courtyard, number 18. This is the main courtyard. We were earlier at this level at the prison. So now we're here. You'll see the prison from below. Okay, and then we'll enter the actual passageways. Look at the design. By the way, we'll see that later, of the courtyard. It is rectangular. There's a flight of steps going up with arches carrying it. There's a water system over here, a well in this case, and we'll ask what does it mean later. Over there, that's over there, that's today the mosque, but this is the cathedral. This is Saint Jean d'Arc, okay, Saint John of Acre. All right, so this is basically what we're going to explore now.
So basically, Eiyal, all of this was covered up to that point.
Exactly. And the reason,
So it was totally covered.
the reason something was known is because when they dug here, below this level, in the 1990s, they revealed the Crusader remains. You can actually see that on the wall right behind me. Look how things